How to integrate Airtable with Asana. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll teach you how you can integrate Airtable with Asana. So the first step is to log in into your Airtable account by signing in on airtable.com. Once you're in your Airtable account, just navigate through to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your account icon. Once you see this, just click on it. Once you click on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, click on account. Alright, so sorry, let's go back. Click on the box again. Let's go back to the home page now. Loading. So once you're on the home page, click on the on your profile icon. Then in the box displayed, scroll down and select integrations. Alright, so once you've selected integration, this is what the page should display if you've not connected any accounts before. You can now click on create new account, and then once that is done, you'll see different options here, right? Such as Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Outsuite, Google Sheets, Jira Cloud, Outlook, Calendar, Slack, and then scroll down until you can see Asana. Now, if you can't see Asana here, that means that you will only be able to connect your Asana account using an app or a site known as Zapier. So the next step is to go to your web browser, and then in the search box, type out zapier.com, and then once that is done, you can just click on get started. Alright, then you can decide to sign in. Alright, inputting your email, or you can just continue using your Gmail address. Alright, then you wait patiently for it to load. So once it has loaded, this is how the page looks like. So you can just go to the left side of the screen and click on the create button. So after clicking on create button, these are the options to display. Click on SAPs, and then you'll be redirected to another page. Once you're on this page, the next step is to click on trigger. Okay, so that's the first thing. And then for your trigger, you'd have to select your Airtable. Since you are working with Airtable, right? Just type Airtable in the box displayed, and then once you've seen it, click on it, and then move to the right side of the screen where you can see the Airtable event. So you have to choose an event. All right, now you can just click on new record or new or updated record, all right, depending on what you want. Now if you click on new record, that means that the new record will be connected with your Asana account. But if you click on new or updated record, it means that it will work for both when you have a new record or updated record. So I'll be working with that, and then once that is done, click on continue, and then you have to connect your Airtable. All right, so you have to sign in, and once you click on sign in, you'll be taken to another page. Just wait patiently and follow through all of the processes. So once that's loaded, this is the page. You'll be asked to add a base. So just click on the base and select the base you would like to connect to Notion. Then click on grant as access. Then once you click on grant access, you'll be brought to this page, and then to load, and then you can decide to change it if you want to. Right, but if not, click on continue, and once that is done, you'll be asked to select a value for the base. Click on the box, and then you can now select the same base. Then once that is done, click on a table as well, then select the table, and then once you've done all of that, you have to also fill in the time stamp. All right, so just fill in all of this, and then once you're done, click on continue, and then once you're done creating your trigger, move to the screen and then click on action. This is where you'll be doing your main connection, and then in the search bar, type out Notion. All right, I'm sorry, Asana. All right, yeah, so this is it. Then you click on it as well. Then once you've clicked on it, you'll be asked to select an event as well. So in this event, you can select custom actions, you can select add tags to section of project, you can select any of this. All right, just go ahead and select the one that appeals to you. For me, I'll be working with custom actions. All right, so just select that, and then once you're done selecting it, click on continue, and then you'll be asked to sign in into your Asana account. Ensure you sign in. Once you sign in, you'll be asked to fill in some required fields. Go ahead, fill it in, and then just like that, once you're done, your Airtable account will be connected to your Asana account. It's very simple and direct. Just follow these processes and you'll be able to connect it. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.